I've got this 20 watts fast charger. It has dual ports, it has a USB-C and a USB-A, and let's unbox it and plug it in. So that's how it comes in. I'll just open this. And that's the adapter. As you can see here, 20 watts, and then you can see some specs here. Wall charger. We've got the USB-C and USB-A. Looks nice. Let's plug it in. So let's put the adapter in. Let's plug it in. Just there, and I've got here a tablet. I've got the USB-C to USB-A, and also an adapter from USB-A to USB-C, so we can try both of the plugs. So just plug this one in and straight into USB-A. And as you can see, it's charging. It doesn't have too much battery. It's quite low, the battery on this tablet. And if I unplug it now and plug it in this adapter and try the USB-C, and as we can see, it's charging. And this keeps the USB-C and USB-A quite strong here, so it doesn't come out loosely, and you know it will charge. It won't like stay loosely here, which is quite important. So with this charger you can also charge two devices at the same time. So I've got the USB-C here and USB-A. So the USB-C is for the lightning adapter, and as you can see, the phone is charging, and then the USB-A to USB-C for the tablet. And as you can hear, the battery is charging on that one as well. So both charging at the same time. And this is like really easy to carry because it's small and you can take it anywhere with you. You can take it to your home, your office, traveling,